I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your address on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with the correct Samsung account. Step 2. Access Settings. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Address. In the Settings menu, look for the Address option and tap on it to view your current address details. Step 4. Edit Address. Tap on the Edit button next to your address. Enter your new address information and make sure everything is correct. Note: double-check the zip code. It can be easy to mistype it, which may cause issues with deliveries. Step 5. Save changes. Once you've updated your address, tap the Save button to confirm the changes. You should see a confirmation message once it is updated. Updating your address on Samsung Pay is quick and straightforward. If you run into any issues, just retrace these steps and you should be good to go.